guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to come and do a quick video. I am preparing my hair for the week, so I'm going to do another tutorial using the natural hair clip-ins from my previous video. If you guys missed that, I will link that down below. So yeah, we're just gonna jump straight into it, and I'm gonna get these clips in and we're gonna do a quick and easy little braid out style. I know in my previous video I said I wasn't gonna leave my hair out because of how thick it is, but because I am doing a braid out style, I am gonna leave my hair out. So if that's something that you're interested in, please stay. Okay, so we're just going to jump straight into this video. I am just here going ahead and sectioning off my hair. I'm mixing it with some water, get some moisture put back in there. I did go ahead and just add the clip in off of camera because I don't feel like that's something that needs to be recorded again. If you do want to see a video of me putting in my clip-ins, you can definitely go check out my previous video. And like I said, I will link that down below. But here I'm just spraying it with some water. And I'm going to go ahead and detangle it. When I tell you guys, this detangler brush is the truth. I absolutely love it. It detangles your hair without snagging on to it, causing unnecessary breakage. And I will have this available on my website very soon. I'm just trying out a few different brands, but I absolutely love this brush. So be on the lookout for that on my website very soon. So yes, I'm just moisturizing my hair. I'm going to put some Curly Magic. I can't remember the exact name of the company, but this is my first time trying it. I believe I got it from CVS, but it's basically like a curling activator gel, and I absolutely love that as well. So I'm just smoothing the product into my hair, and I'm going to go ahead and brush it and make sure that it's nice and detangled before I begin to braid it. And just look at the curl. It's so pretty. So super pretty. I absolutely love the detangler brush with the curl gel together. They do such an amazing job at defining your curl. So yeah, I'm just going to do this all throughout my hair, applying water, put the curling gel on there. And I also add in a sealant, which I've been using the Vigorous Hair Growth Oil, of course. And I'm just going to do that throughout the whole process. So I will speed this up and add some music in so you guys can just relax and enjoy the video. So here I'm just braiding or plaiting up my hair. When you start at the top of the clip in, you want to be careful to not rip the clip out of your hair. So be careful braiding at the very top. But once you get that secured in, you'll just braid as regular on your way down. And then I'm going to finger coil it at the bottom of the braid to give it more of that natural look whenever I do take these down in the morning. I believe this style took me about an hour and a half to do. But yes, I absolutely loved how it turned out, and I hope you guys love it as well. Enjoy!
Damn, Mizzy Mari got beats. Damn, Mizzy Mari got beats.
life. Now let's hope that they turn out right, because if they don't turn out right, sis is using some sick time tomorrow for work, honey. I won't be there. Okay, so then I'm gonna just wrap my hair up with a silk scarf, and I am going to go to bed. Hopefully they dry overnight and everything turns out absolutely perfect, and I'll see you guys in the morning. So it is the next morning, and thankfully my hair did dry throughout the night. And of course, I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna coat my hands with some of my vigorous growth oil to fight some of the frizz when taking down. And you guys have seen 1,000 videos of everybody taking down their braids, so I'm just gonna speed through this part and go ahead and show you guys the end result. Enjoy.